This poem was it's published in the Journal of Sports Literature. It's from the perspective of a father looking at his son in the hospital bed, and the son has had a major hockey injury. To himself. He kept to himself, reading, nose in a book, scribbling in that journal he hid deep in the hayloft. He skated that way too, self-contained, fluid strides, carrying secrets with each rush. He'd visit home a stranger, nervous, his anger a hunger to strike, to hip-check me into the boards. Lying rigid in a hospital bed, clothes cut off by the orderly, his limbs numb, pointless, will he hold a pen again? Fate's a cheap detail, a poorly sharpened bevel on a skate blade. I look down at him, as paralyzed as he is, stunned, grinding teeth conjuring a memory of that first pair of skates, how he laced them, then stepped onto black ice so clear, so smooth, the cranberry plants trapped below seemed like museum pieces, motionless, glass versions of themselves. And he kneeled down, almost kissing its surface, mesmerized by them, his mittened hands excited, polishing the ice, his laugh splintering winter air.